friends, and welcome to another sunny evening in beautiful Oxfordshire. And I've come down to another field near the village where I live, which is also been left pretty wild and has got lots and lots of potential for the kind of animals that owls might prey upon, voles and mice, that sort of thing. You can swing around quickly, you can have a look. As you can see, it's pretty rough grassland, and it's a lovely view across the farms. And I've chosen this spot because I haven't staked this spot out yet, looking for the owls. So I thought I would come down and give it a go this evening. And I also spied on the way up here, you can see there's lots of pathways that have been created through here by some animal or other. Leading into the hedgerow there. So it's I doubt it's rabbits, because it's quite a big track. So it could either be those little muntjac deer, or it could be fox even, or badger. So I'm 30-40 yards up the hill from that track. So if anything should come out onto the field from there, I should hopefully be in a good position to film it. I'll just make myself comfortable, and I have a couple of hours of sunlight, and I'll see if I'm lucky and anything comes along. So I shall catch up with you then, hopefully. See you in a bit. Well, after hours of waiting and the light totally disappearing, I got up to leave. Packed up everything, started walking up the road, and just as I'm walking up the road, over the wall, just here, flew a barn owl into the field here, flew around a couple of times, perched on a fence. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel so vindicated. After 10 goes now of coming out every night trying to find a barn owl, I finally found it. Of course the light is non-existent, barely enough to get some video, shooting at an ISO of 25,600, and I tried to get a couple of shots, but it's not possible in this light, unfortunately. But still, I managed to see him, and I'm so happy about it. I have no idea how the footage is going to come out, because I had the camera on my shoulder like this when I saw it, and I just plonked the camera down with a tripod any old how on the wall, so it was unstable as hell. Anyway, that was a bit of fun. Okay, so hopefully I'll be showing you that right now. All that remains is for me to thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. Hopefully I'll be escaping my isolation once a day and roaming around the fields and woodlands around where I live, trying to bring you some more videos of wildlife from here in Oxfordshire. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.